Hello everyone, this is question number 19 in one of the series questions. What we have to do in this question is to find the length of last word. And this will be a string given to us, for example, hello world, and there can be trailing and leading spaces. That means in the beginning of the string, space can be there. At the end of the string also, space can be there. So what we have to do is, ignoring these spaces, we have to find out the length of last word. Most simplest way of doing this is, I'll show you. For example, string is hello, and there are, I am denoting the spaces by this underscore, so there are 4 spaces at the end. In Python, what we can do is, if I'll write s.strip, it will remove all the spaces from the front and the back. If I will do split, that means it will store every single word of the string in a list, and then I can do is -1, that means the last word in the list, and then I can put this inside length. So that will calculate the length of last word. For example, the last word is hello, so it will return the length as 5. If my string is hello world and at the end again some spaces are there, strip will remove the spaces. After removing spaces, whatever single word would be there, that will be added in the list, and -1 means the last index, so this will be last index. So in short, I am calculating length of word. Okay, so answer will be 5. This approach is a better approach. Time complexity is order of n, but space complexity is also order of n, because we are creating a new list, putting values there. So the other approach by which we can do this question in without space complexity and order of n time is that we have to first remove all the spaces in the end, right, and then count the length of the last word, and last word will finish when there will be again a space. So logic can be, start the I from last index. Okay, so I will be 16 in the beginning. Length you can calculate 17 minus 1, 16. So if I is greater than equal to 0, you will keep on doing this. If s of I equals to space, you will keep on decreasing the I value. In the beginning, first thing to remove the spaces, we will do this. To not consider spaces. Not remove, I should say, not consider space. So I will become here, I is again equal to space. So I will be 16, then I will be 13, then 12 is not space, right? So I will go to 12. So then this while loop will not work. Then we will keep another while loop that you have to calculate length of last word. Na? So take the length to be 0 and you will say while s of I is not equal to space. Till it is not equal to space, keep on incrementing it. Length plus equals to 1. So initially length is 0, d is not equal to space, right? D is not equal to space, so length will be 1. Again you have to keep doing I equals to I minus 1. Then L is there, which is also not equal to space, so length is 2. I will also go 10. R, so R is not equal to space, length will be 3. Same way you will go to O, length will be 4. You will go to W, length will be 5. Next I is 7, which is equal to space. This while loop will stop and you can simply return the length value. So what we have to do is, because we are looking at only the length of last word, from last index we will start. We will keep on skipping the spaces. If space is not there, we will calculate, and then we will stop calculating length if again space comes. Because if again space will come, one word will be completed. As you can see, this is the code written over here. So length n you can take as the length of s. I will be n minus 1. Initially you will ignore all the spaces from the end. You will calculate the length of the last word, because last word will be completed when there will be space. So till it is not equal to space, you will keep on calculating length, and at the end you will return the length. I hope this question is clear for you. This is the LeetCode solution. I will add it in my GitHub account so that you can access and practice once on your own. Thanks a lot. Subscribe to my channel so that I can make more such amazing videos.